Can you CPR on a bird? It's not your typical case of mouth to mouth or mouth to beak even. Doing on a bird CPR may seem absurd, even impossible, but animal doctors will tell you sometimes it comes with a job. Specific guidelines are still being developed for birds, so right now they are rescued in the same way a human would be, with a few adjustments. One adjustment is when to start chest compression, since we can hurt birds. Massive keel bone that shields the heart, which can make stimulating the organ difficult. So it is, if a bird isn't breathing but still has a pulse, resuscitation alone is usually a sure fix, though this isn't the case of mouth to mouth. So let's watch the video. So good morning, guys. So I am at the office right now, and I would like to vlog this
bird that we revive,
there's a
that
bird
we
outside our office building flying, and when you open the window, you can see birds flying everywhere. Okay, but now I think it is about to rain, so we cannot see. Oh, there are birds there. So our office building, there's a lot of windows here. Okay, and there was this one bird. There was this one incident that a bird accidentally bumped to our office window, and then one of our my friend here saw the incident, and he noticed that the bird, our patient, the bird is at that moment was suffering from head traumatic injury, loss of consciousness, and there was swollen on the scalp area, a shallow cut, and bulging eyes was observed, skull fracture, and then per assessment using the Glasgow Coma scale, patient is on GCS 3. So let's watch the video on how we revive the bird. Hindi makita. Tama na? Dili siguro sa middle. Ano lang sa ano niya?
Heart niya yun.
Heart niya na? Hello. Lips to lips daw. Butang ilang hangin.
Muna, buka ginang ulo niya, madam.
Oh my God. I-refer na lang natin sa OHEC.
Sa kwan, sa RMC siguro.
CRMC. Hindi, SPMC. Oh my God. Haniya, gawan mo ng referral form.
Kalamin na.
Ma-revive pa na. Hindi ba na pwede ma-IV? Gamay-gamay.
Yan.
Oh my God nga, Abi.
Nabangga sa salamin.
Wala niya siguro napansin. Sabi niya clear. Kasi mapatay na siya.
Mapatay sa kabaw.
Ano daw dito? Ihigda daw. Maglupad na ako. Hindi na nakalupad.
Hindi na nalipong di siya.
Sige, sige. Paano mag-resus yun? Paano na siya hanginan, bud? I-IV?
No.
Hello, oy. Uy, na-revive ka na wa? No, na-revive no? Or nag-tuskig? Pronounced dead. Ano oras?
Ano orasan?
My God.
11:46 a.m.
Pronounced dead. Wala ka luoy.
Hi.
Cute pa naman siya. Oh.
Nabangga mo niya, Vin. My God.
What?
Para ipin.
Uwak na eh?
Hindi ni
Oh
uwak.
my God.
Hindi lang kang itim yung uwak.
Lumaya man eh. Charot.
Ano ganyan naman? Kiss. Lai siya.
Di lang nag-crack sa head niya ba? Ay, oo.
Nagwaski ng mata niya.
Gani. Eh, tatapan eh kung nabuhi siya. Complicated. Yan, i-close ang eyes. Yan. Butang
Okay.
na lang sa ano.
Butang sa
Paper.
karton kay Globong.
Tala, hindi ko atong cartoon.
Bye-bye, baby.
Although the bird died in the hands of my friend, we cannot deny that just like any other humans, we really showed a little love, care, and protection that could greatly up its chances of survival. But the bird needs to go, and it only shows us that no one is free, and even birds are not free in the sky. So let's protect our mother nature and let's be friendly and love our birds. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we hope that as human beings, if we saw some birds who are dying, who are in critical conditions, don't hesitate to help them and even other animals. Let's love our animals as human beings also. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope everyone can achieve their freedom just like birds. Thank you so much. So rest in peace to the bird that we used to revive and fly high. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch for our next video. Bye.